a single man gonna handle that entire operation on that forklift.
Forklifts and conveyor belts.
Yes, and conveyor belts.
Right. Put the coconut on conveyor belts.
Yes.
Straight to washer, pressure washer.
Straight to pressure washer.
Back onto another conveyor belt.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Everything. So the wharf right there, everything.
Cutting machine, everything.
A cutting machine, everything.
Wonderful.
And we gotta make certain we get the modern cutting machine.
Absolutely.
Because is that if we work 300 days a year, we gotta do 40,000 coconuts per day. And if we can't do 40,000 coconuts per day, we in trouble.
We're wasting time.
We're wasting time.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
3-4 months, then I come back, send somebody to just spray some weedicide, clean up the coconuts, then they grow again, and then 6 months from today I weed and spray again. So which means is that I can break the labor cost tremendously at this moment, but that is not my intention. My intention is to plant, utilize the land fully to plant other crops. But we got to make certain that we go value added so that we can able to make money. If you plant the big coconut trees in this weather, once you can get it to catch very fast, you save 1 year. You save 1 year, which means the coconut's going to bear a year before if you want to plant a small plant. Once you can get it to catch. So that is the reason why we plant some big ones. So we can save time, fast track the business. So since we got the weather and everything is just right, we decide to put it in place.
And you get it from that same place?
Yeah, from that same farm. So this is what we're doing with all 200 acres. We're making everything into bed and drain. Bed and drain. So we use the drain for means of transportation when you're ready to reap, and it drain the land at the same time. And we probably get some tilapia, loose them inside, bring some bran, feed them, so the workers get fish. They're building 2 narrow sedan, and they're putting 2 short cokers. So the short coker, you find you get.
And then the farm,
No, these bite hard. No, they long hands. Yeah. So after they put 2 short coker, they gotta do revetment work and whatever, and then the barnacle end up eating out the wood at the bottom, and then they fall apart, and then the whole coker break away. So when it break away, you end up into trouble. So what we do now, we use the HDP tube. We either use a 40 feet or we use a 30 feet. And then we just make certain that we fill it with the right mud. And I was giving Freddie a term that I use, you know, and I know you know it, is that to put down the HDP tube at the bottom, you know, you use something named poto.
Yeah.
So that the poto get in the groove and seal all the grooves so that the crab don't bore the holes and try and get out. We're going in a new farm just now. You're going to see a magic in the new farm. We got about between almost 4,000 coconuts that we're going to bear for next December. And but in the first bearing, you wouldn't get the production that we're talking about. You probably just get about half or a third of it until the following
Next
6
December,
months.
you mean this December?
Not this one, next one. Yeah.
December
By then the
2014,
factory, December 2014. So by then we factory, everything gonna be in place, and we just ready for.
Yeah, talk about timing.
We just ready to make money.
Yeah.
We're gonna finish it by sometime December this year.
When you finish here, you move on.
We move on. We move on. He gonna work there now, cleaning and cleaning until we get chance now to burn. And just as we burn a field, we come back now and we start digging the drain while the rest drying.
We should see what's the efficiency of getting a chopping machine. It's a pity to burn all this.
Yeah,
Not that you really need the biomass here, but
yeah,
too much is never enough.
that's right.
Throw this in and just...
Yeah, because when you
and
burn
spit it
now,
back out.
you end up burning out some back from the
absolutely.
soil.